Ready? Start. From perusal of the records, it is apparent that the selection of subject specialist and its cancellation was challenged in the case of Avdesh Kumar Supra, wherein the writ court specifically directed that mass cancellation of the selection held in pursuance to the advertisement cannot be legally sustained, more so when a large number of persons have already been appointed and they have joined in pursuance to the selection so held. Stop. Accordingly, the state government was required to constitute a scrutiny committee in respect of the selection in question for segregating the good part from bad part after examining the records of each of the selected candidate separately and thereafter to take appropriate action. Stop para. In the instant case, the petitioner had joined after a selection as a subject specialist at RR Inter College, Sandila, District Hardoi on 12/10/2020, as would be apparent from a perusal of the impugned order dated 26/4/2019. Stop para. In pursuance to the directions issued by the writ court at Allahabad in the case of Avdesh Kumar Supra, a scrutiny committee had been constituted which, as per the orders issued by the respondents, found the case of the petitioner to be correct. Stop. However, from perusal of the impugned order, it comes out that no reasons were forthcoming from the scrutiny committee as to why the case of the petitioner has been found to be correct. Stop. Once the scrutiny committee had been constituted in pursuance to the directions issued by the writ court and the respondents themselves have acted upon the same in the case of Avdesh Kumar, accordingly they cannot be allowed to do a volte-face by contending that though the scrutiny committee has found the petitioner to be eligible, yet no reasons are forthcoming. As such, recommendations of the scrutiny committee cannot be upheld. Stop. Further, the respondents themselves have admitted in paragraph 13 of the counter affidavit that Avdesh Kumar had filed a contempt petition and thus action was taken by the state. Stop. In the instant case, it is apparent that the petitioner has been litigating right since the year 2000, that is for a period of 21 years. Stop. 5 petitions have been filed and in 4 of the earlier petitions, the writ court primarily required the respondents to consider the case of the petitioner in light of the directions issued in the case of Awadh Kumar Supra. All the orders passed by the writ court attained finality as they were never challenged by the respondents. Stop. As already indicated above, the respondents have indicated in the impugned order that the scrutiny committee has found the case of the petitioner to be correct, yet have not proceeded further on the ground that the scrutiny committee has not assigned reasons. Stop. At the risk of repetition, once the scrutiny committee has found the case of the petitioner to be correct and in case the reasons were not forthcoming, it was for the respondents to have called upon the scrutiny committee to indicate the reasons if any, but then sitting over the recommendations of the scrutiny committee, which as already indicated above was formed in pursuance to the directions of the writ court, would be in the fitness and fairness of things.